All right, let's get a check on what these conditions mean for us I guess in the short term, because we are going to get very hot again on Tuesday. So what does this mean for folks in terms of the fire danger?
Well, for today, the eastern side of the Cascades, still high fire danger. We are going to have an elevated risk for wildfires next week as we heat up and get a push of offshore winds. But our friends out east, you see east of the Cascades, red flag warning in place this afternoon through this evening for areas shaded in the pink. So once again, that includes Kittitas, Yakima, Chelan, Adams, all of those counties. And you see it goes all the way up from the Canadian border all the way into Oregon. We're so dry, as you well know. Eastern Washington's still dealing with worsening drought conditions, severe drought. We already have the moderate drought, severe drought here, and then east of the Cascades and west of the Cascades, we're just abnormally dry right now. Earlier in the month, we had that beneficial rain. We're going to go on about 2 weeks of a dry stretch before we even have the chance for some showers. And that looks like late next week. Still a lot of time that could change, but it's looking increasingly likely that we'll at least get some showers. Nothing heavy, but something. As we well know, a little bit goes a long way. We are cooler today. We have that natural AC coming off of the Pacific. We're warmer Sunday, and then we're really cranking up the heat. And again, that fire danger early next week as we get that push of offshore winds. So looking at the big picture for today, we have a disturbance to our north and one to the south, and that's going to brush by the area. That's why we have these clouds and the push of offshore winds or onshore. But as we go through our Sunday, that ridge will start to build once again, and then into Monday, still in full force. We have offshore winds, some passing high clouds, and then Wednesday into Thursday, that's when things start to change. We have to see how quickly we'll have the return of onshore winds. So that natural AC once again, and that's when we'll have a better shot to see cooler temperatures as well as some shower chances. But again, the question is how quickly will that marine layer and marine push return to Puget Sound? So for now, the weather team went ahead and issued a first alert for Tuesday because that's going to be the hottest day. Monday may be hot as well, so the weather team's talking to see just which days that will have the best chance for that fire danger as well as the high heat. But Tuesday is that sure day. Let's take you outside where we have low clouds. We have blue sky waiting for us above all of these stubborn clouds, but these are expected to break up, mix out, and lift as the day goes on. And that's going to bring us sunshine into the afternoon with highs in the low and mid 70s. Up north, we'll have lower 70s, and then out west, we'll have 60s. Tonight, 40s and 50s, and then tomorrow, 70s and 80s return to the forecast. So each day we're getting warmer, and then temperatures will slowly start to fall late next week.